Why choose Invisalign over all the other products out there? Well, let me tell you about that. Invisalign had a patent on the whole process, and I don't know exactly, but the patent ran out about 3 years ago. As soon as that patent ran out, then all these other companies jumped on the bandwagon and started doing Invisalign type stuff. And guess what? Invisalign all of a sudden introduced their new plastic. And so now their trays are made from a different material. And so all the other guys are the old-fashioned way. The new Invisalign tray, they're good for another 17 years. What that means to you as a patient, when I had Invisalign when I was 58 years old, I had to wear each tray for about 3 weeks. So it took me a year to get things lined up pretty straight. In today's world, for what I had done then, you could probably fix the same thing in about 4 to 6 months. It's like 2 or 3 times faster than all the other products, and I think it's better. And then when you get into like a retainer at the end, now it's much more durable and it tends to last longer. So I think Invisalign is king of the road, and if I was looking at aligner trays, I would stick with Invisalign. I think it's the best.